All right, folks, thank you for joining us. We're really excited to introduce a brand new product. But before we get started, we want to highlight one of our top selling. This is our white resin folding chair. People love it because, frankly, it's very tough, it's beautiful, it's super easy to clean, so it's a popular choice for any event, especially in the event rental business. This is a top seller. Now, some folks love the look of real wood, and so right next to it I have a real wood natural folding chair. So, but of course, real wood it's beautiful, but it has some things. One, it breaks easier, doesn't take abuse as well, and can handle the weather, mold, rot, etc. So obviously with proper care, this will last for many years, but some people said, why can't I have the toughness of this beautiful white resin folding chair in a wood finish? Well, let's introduce our new product today. Here we have our brand new natural timber-free wood grain resin folding chair. All the toughness, all the design, all the engineering of our resin folding chair in a wood grain finish. Take a look at it, you'll see all the beautiful wood grain. You can see the variable patterns just like you get in a real wood chair in a resin finish. This won't rot. You can leave it outside. It's weatherproof. This is an incredible chair. All the toughness of our top-selling white resin folding chair, but with the beauty and finish that you get from wood. So it's that wood grain finish. Not only that, we have it in 3 amazing colors. You can get it natural, walnut, or fruitwood. And right now it's at an introductory low price. So visit us at chiavari.com and get yours today.